How to buy ball token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before that, I have a bonus for my community. So Mexc just launched their new events called USD1. So this event is about to share about 15 million WRFI. So if you want to benefit from this event, just follow these three simple steps to benefit from it. So first step is to register. Just click on register. After that, deposit and trade. Join the sub events and enjoy zero fee. And after that, you can claim your rewards. Sorry. So what you need to do is just click on register now. So as you can see, you can provide your email here and just click on sign up. So if you want more information about these events, you can now scroll down, and as you can see, this is the information about it. So if you want to benefit from these events before 13 days from now, just click on the link on the description to benefit from it. So I will just remind you, so this event is about to share 15 million WRFI. So you can sorry, so you can stake USD1 for up to 600% APR, and after that you can enjoy zero fee trading and spin the wheel for massive price pools. So check the link in the description to benefit from these events. So there is another or additional events. It's about a new users exclusive. So this is a first future trade loss fully covered. So Mexc will compensate you if you lost in trades. So you can register on these events too. So you can check the link below in the description and now register your accounts before the end. So you can see this is the time. So just click on register now and now provide your email and click on sign up to register your account. So you can check also additional information. You can scroll down and you can check the additional information about this event. So if you want to benefit from this event, just check the link in the description. Now let's go and show you how to buy the ball token. So before going on buy this token, make sure to keep following their X accounts for the latest updates, and you can also follow their community. As you can see, they have 9,000, almost 10,000 members. Now this is the information about this token on Mexc on their page there. As you can see, if you want to check more information, now let's go and show you how to buy this token. First of all, you need to log into your account on Mexc. After that, go to the search bar and type ball like that. Now from the top bar here, just click on spot, and as you can see, you will be able to see this pair have USD. So if you want to benefit from the events also, you can just click on this option. So after you click on it, just wait a few seconds to load this page. So here you can type the amount that you want to buy of this token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of your token called USD1 after you stake it on your account. After that, click on buy, and this token, it will be available on your account, and you can also benefit from the events. So this is how to buy the ball token, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.